October 31st, 2022, Sightseeing with Dignity, Human Rights, Pro-Life, Tolerance, Education. Artwork 53 is now completed. Thank you, Budgie Wetches. Appreciate your input. And sealed in under plexiglass. I had to add 2 layers of mat board in the back, and I still have to get a piece of masonite or thin plywood to completely seal it in. Just a quick view here. We have allegorical sea monsters and insects and several older drawings. This drawing I did on March 14, 1968, my last semester in high school. It says 12 hands needed, not finished, which is written by my art teacher, Mr. Frank Diefenworth. Here he is in the Martin Van Buren High School yearbook here. He is now gone. And thank you for your service during World War II, combat veteran of U.S. Army in World War II, where one of his Army buddies was Charles Schulz, who became very famous in the United States as the Peanuts comic strip artist, author. And this one here, dated May 68, number 7, extra hands. Evidently when I must have submitted 10 or 11, because I have 12 of these drawings, including these 2. This drawing here I did, it was in one of my old sketchbooks. I drew it in 1973. I don't remember where I did the imagery from, of 2 men in a jail prison cell. And these 2 drawings I did in ink as a study, dated 2013, and I'm not sure where the imagery was drawn from, possibly a newspaper photograph. 2 studies, child war victim. It might have been from Beirut, Lebanon, but that's uncertain. This is a vampire cat up here. Drawing inside the window of the mat. We go clockwise. And Archbishop Romero there, martyred, murdered by extremists and the military police. Ultra-right-wing El Salvador, in the city of San Salvador in 1980. All right, there you have it.